All right, people, I'm back again, back again. A brand new video, back again with my LAFS review again, back again. I said I'm back again, brand new video, back again. LAFS review again. As you can see, this is my music production technology page, and I'm at 37%. My trending grade is 100%, actually. Best possible grade is 100%. I'm an 8 out of 19 completed. Now, this is a review about week 1 and week 2, review of week 1 and week 2 combined. In week 1, I did have my unboxing, installing, and getting ready. We did a introduction, discussion, sort of a discussion kind of thing, which was basically 0% weight. Protect your laptop, installing absolute low jack. Now, I did not have them send me a laptop because I already had a laptop and I didn't have to install the absolute low jack. I submitted a text saying I have waived MacBook, and the first assignment I did was Mac OS basic navigation assignment, which just takes you through the navigation of your MacBook. And we actually made a text document. Basically, it includes a slideshow that takes you through a process of how to navigate your MacBook, a guide to those who don't use MacBook. I completed that. It says 100%. Now, mind you, this whole week has still not been graded, and I'm almost completing my second week. But the prediction for my grade is 100% for that whole week. So from there, I went to mail app assignments, a screenshot of your mail app showing that you've actually signed in to your Los Angeles Film School email so that your emails will pop up in your mail app on your MacBook. 1.5 was the installation of the Logic Pro X application, which is worth 10% of your grade. And so I did that. I installed my Logic Pro, submitted a screenshot of the installation, and here's the results. It says, "Excellent job, Kamel. Thank you for completing this assignment." So the assignment was download and install components of Logic Pro X. It says all components successfully downloaded and installed and appropriate screenshot submitted. Final grade 100. Next, I went to the first Logic project. It's just a little tutorial on how to get started up and set up in Logic Pro. I really like the way this guy does his thing. He's pretty cool. And I spoke to him, had a nice long 30-minute conversation with him. It was interesting. There you have it. Submitted my screenshot here, and I got graded, and I went on to the next, which was help from the instructor. So here he says, each week I have a number of time slots available for live one-to-one go-to meeting sessions. These sessions can be very helpful in resolving technical issues with Logic Pro, as well as clarifying musical concepts and other assignments. It is very easy to make an appointment with me. Just select and book a time on the calendar below. If none of the time slots will work with your schedule, I can often be flexible with mine. So just contact me via an email or message on the LMS. And you don't even necessarily have to actually book the appointment. You just click completed if you've completed all your assignments and you're fine and you don't need any additional help from your instructor. So back to unboxing and installing and getting ready. And this is week 2. So today is the end of my week 2, actually the beginning of my week 3, which is going to be what's under the hood. That's what's next. But I still have a quiz to complete and the additional help from the instructor, which is 0% of the weight. So I can just go in there and hit completed, mark as completed, just to keep me a step ahead, because I just need to complete this midterm quiz. And as you can see up here, it says the Los Angeles Film School continues to closely monitor this rapidly evolving situation and is prepared to respond appropriately. I wonder how they're going to do that, but they've started canceling events on campus and shifting everything to online as everybody else is doing. So as reported, cases of COVID-19 continue to spread around the globe. I just had an idea. I'm actually going to name this video LA Film School and COVID-19 coronavirus. Ha ha ha. All right. So every week is going to have some kind of discussion, and I submitted my discussion. There was a question here that was 10 points. It says, what is the maximum storage capacity? So this was 10 questions, and I got all correct because, they actually have a slideshow right here that answers the question. Once you go through the slideshow and memorize it, you can answer all the questions, which is actually very easy. Basically all about your storage stuff, and how to manage data on your system. So basically, the whole 7 sections, each carrying 10 points, were basically questions after slideshows. And 2.3 was navigating the find a window assignment. I had 100 points for this. The list of questions and answers, it says choose one, which is 10 points out of 10 questions. And I did all that. The next was the 2.4, which is the project. And this was the interesting part. We were asked to open the week one project that we had saved to the external hard drive, the Logic MIDI project, and we have no sound because the project is for you to actually set up your system and assign sounds to each individual track. You're supposed to select instruments for these channels. He kind of takes you through the process of how to select these instruments in the tutorial. So this is all basic stuff for beginners, and this is what the project sounded like.
Of this. Can you guess what song it is now?
Yeah. So people, there you have it. It's a decent way of educating people about how to do this setup. I actually spoke to this guy and told him my experience, and he said I should probably have chosen the audio production degree program. He said music production is kind of like a generalized program where we will have mixing sessions and all that, but it's not as in-depth as the audio production, because I guess audio production will be for somebody who already has the experience and has some knowledge and needs to expand on the existing knowledge that they already possess. Students usually continue their education by signing up for an additional course, and you don't have to pay the same fees because some of the subjects are similar or the same, and you will get credit for all the ones that you've already taken. So you just do the additional ones that are required. Final grade 100. I keep it 100%, y'all. 100%. Keep it 100. That's me. All right, so midterm quiz is next, and I haven't done that. I'm about to begin the test. So this is where I'll leave this at, and we'll be going to week 3. I think I can start that now. There's a discussion. I'm sure people have already submitted stuff because people are so eager. Go to discussion. Let's see. I bet, see, Rod Michaels is here, who's the instructor. Hi, everybody. For this week's discussion, let's share your thoughts on cloud storage, the Mac operating system, and Logic Pro X. So Carla Beasley has already submitted her discussion. Michael Brown's here. Jemmy Bomarito is here. Damn, like these people, it's like they don't have any other thing to do, right? Wow, Amy Allen, damn. This is like a whole lot. I decided I might try to do the videos while I'm actually doing the assignment, so it would save time and be more efficient for me, so I don't have to come back and go through it again. But that might make the videos a little bit longer or something, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is what I have for y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this also gives you a clear insight of what I am going through as a student of the Los Angeles Film School music production program online. Okay, now it seems we're all going to be online students now because of the coronavirus. So thanks for watching. Please be safe out there. Do not touch your face too much. I touch my face a lot, rub my eyes, pick my nose. Coronavirus is airborne. Hey man, we're all going to get the coronavirus anyway if it's airborne, because if it's in the air, I mean, what, are you not going to breathe? We need gas masks, not face masks, because, this is serious. But isn't there any way we can disinfect our air? Who knows? Let me know what your thoughts are on this situation, and comment and like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, because it helps and encourages and motivates me to keep going. I'm really glad with the response. I see people commenting on some of the videos. I haven't really done all this consistently like this before, and it's actually fun. Thank you all so much for your support. I really love the way things are going. Hit the bell button so you can have updates, and stay blessed. I will be back again with another video, a brand new video. Back again, Los Angeles Film School again. Yeah, so there you have it. Peace, and I'm out.